Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to check out this Husky 2-in-1 folding utility knife and serrated knife. So I have something similar to this one. I have it at work, but it has more tools than this one, obviously. So let's check this guy out. So this is the utility knife. It's honestly well made. Got the Husky logo there. It's really well made, like I said, wood, plastic here. It has this Husky sign right here. So to close it, obviously regular, and then to open it, we have the knife on the other side. It's a pretty nice knife. Let's see how well it cuts. Yeah, it was okay. Let's see. Where is I have here a little test that I like to do with most of these knives when I have them. Let's see if I got something for it. Here we go. So I like to do a small little test to see how sharp the knife is. I usually grab a piece of wood and shape it off. That's actually pretty nice. So they're about $15 at Home Depot, and you can have both sides open, but you really don't need that. So obviously you can remove the blades for the utility knife. Easy, like all of these. Most Huskies are like that. You just pull this guy out and they should slide right out. So you pull. This one's giving me a hard time. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Start over.